PLTR was trending at some point yesterday, the 6th of March 2026, as renewed discussions around its expanding international footprint, particularly with governments and defense partners in Japan and Azerbaijan, fuel optimism about the company's global growth trajectory. Investors see these developments as further validation that the company's AI driven data platforms, including its AI platform, AIP, are increasingly becoming embedded in national security and enterprise decision making worldwide. The bullish narrative is also being amplified by recent analyst upgrades and raised price targets, reinforcing the perception that the company is one of the few pure play AI software companies already generating meaningful revenue from real world deployments. Okay, you can always pause and read. Okay, so the stock is consolidating within a longer term bullish trend. Its 200-day moving average, which underscores its online trend on this daily chart, is still slightly bullish. The extrapolation of its 3-day moving average is saying that the strength picked up as of the 25th of February is expected to remain in place up till Monday the 16th. Then after that, we're looking at the prospects of a contraction that may remain in place up till the 16th of April. Okay. So, as a matter of fact, the stock has just been printing non-stop gains since the 25th of February. You do the maths. How many days is that? 25th of February, that's so many days. Can I even count that? 25th to, yeah, seven straight session of gains. Seven straight session of gains. Okay. So as things stand right now, the projections are saying 134.65 a downward projection, 155.16 upper projection, sorry, downward projection, 160.1 upper projection. However, we have this pivotal downward projection. It was initiated on the 15th of January, and the stock was high up there at $177, and it happened. It happened. Yeah, but as a matter of fact, the moving average is the consolidation. When it got there, it began to consolidate around it up till it broke away of late as of the 26th. So when it dropped below that on the 5th of February, in fact, the whole of February, almost the whole of February was just gyrating around that. It's a magnet. It's a magnet of a downward projection, 134.99, and it's still being reiterated. So, and you can even see here the algos are saying that it might come back to it. So let's see how all of this will pan out. On the weekly chart, it doesn't have any extrapolations and still also consolidating as well within a longer term bullish trend on this weekly chart. Projections here are saying, let's see what we have. 138. Yes, we have it here. 138, but it's not a pivotal projection. 138, 116, 101, 101.86. Well, let's be sure what we have here. 130, 130. We have here, it's 134 here. Pretty much the same. Pretty much. So between 130, 138 and 134, there's something there there's a trap there for Palantir stock. Okay, RCAT was equally trending amid heightened volatility driven by escalating geopolitical tensions in the Middle East, which have renewed investor focus on companies involved in military drone technology and defense automation. As conflicts increasingly highlight the strategic importance of unmanned systems for reconnaissance, targeting, and logistics, many traders believe companies like RCAT could benefit from surging demand for next generation drone platforms. Okay, let's see what's going on its chart. Yes, okay. The stock has equally been showing a lot of strength since Monday, this past Monday, the 2nd of March. Yeah, five straight session of gains. Yes, it won't be out of place. It's not out of place, given what's going on. So for some reason, the algos are saying that it may begin to contract its own expansion, going all the way towards the 8th of April, and then after that, it may resume the uptrend. Okay, it has its own pivotal downward projection is modest, 14.84, 14.80. Okay, so the stock is as things stand right now, it is, yeah, it is rallying. Technically, no, it's still consolidating, still consolidating. We need the 20-day moving average to rise above the 40-day moving average. So structurally, it is still consolidating, but it's not, they won't change anything. Well, it's still important because it will help to it will help it will help the algos clearly determine the direction of things as things stand right now. Yeah, I have to point out that because the stock is still consolidating, maybe some of these extrapolations may not be sufficiently accurate. So because there isn't a clear direction yet. Yeah. Okay, let's see whether it has anything on its weekly chart. Okay, no extrapolations yet. We have 17.89, 22.52, 25.38. Okay, those are the projections on its weekly chart. Boeing was equally trending following reports that Chinese airlines may place significant new orders for the 737 MAX and 787 Dreamliner, a development that could mark a major step toward normalizing aviation trade between China and the US after years of regulatory and geopolitical tension. Investors are closely watching these potential deals because China represents one of the largest long term growth markets for commercial aviation, and renewed order activity would provide a meaningful boost to the company's production backlog. The company is also benefiting from reports of additional aircraft orders from other international airlines, reinforcing expectations that global travel demand remains strong and airlines are continuing to modernize their fleets with more fuel efficient aircraft. If confirmed, these deals could strengthen Boeing's revenue outlook and support efforts to stabilize its balance sheet following years of pandemic era disruptions and operational challenges. Beyond commercial aviation, the market is also focusing on the company's defense and space segments, which may benefit from increased military spending as geopolitical tensions rise worldwide. Okay, so yes, you'll find this link in the description box below. Okay, so let's see what we have here on a daily chart. Boeing stock is yeah, what is it doing? It is also consolidating within a longer term bullish trend. Yes, bullish trend. I would say maybe neutral to bullish trend. Okay, so the extrapolation is saying that its own strength might also remain in place at least up till the 17th of March. And the 40-day moving average may serve as a resistance, but it may, yeah, the 40-day moving average seems it may become a resistance. Yeah. So all in all, it's just saying that the consolidation is expected to remain in place at least up till the 9th of April. Here, projections are saying beginning from the least 206.78, 212.77, 224.47. Let's see what we have on its weekly chart. On the weekly chart, yeah, we don't have an alignment. This is saying that let's see now. This is 17th of March. We don't have an alignment. The weekly chart is saying that we should expect lower prices. Yeah, going all the way towards the 6th of April. Okay, so here it's also consolidating. Yeah, it's consolidating as well on this weekly chart. Is it consolidating? Let me see. I can't even see the 20-day moving average. Where is it? Yeah, it has converged with its 40-day moving average. Okay, we could just, yeah, it's consolidating, and that is what is still expected going all the way towards the 14th of September. We don't really have an alignment here as such, but we have ambitious projections here: 290.58, 334.06, 360.91. So in the midst of all of this consolidation that is expected, and business projections are still projected regardless. Okay, so see what you make of these stocks, and thank you very much for watching this video.